Hi, today in front of me is ZTE Axon 30 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So if you want to connect your device to Wi-Fi, you should first open the settings application, and after that the first section you'll see the Wi-Fi one. Just tap here once, and to activate Wi-Fi you should click here only once on the switcher, and after that here you'll see the list with all of the available networks. Just to use one from these networks, click, and after that you should enter here your password. If you want to see this password, just click here on this checkbox just to have now some mistakes. I'll just make it out of screen. So I just enter the password out of screen, and after that I'll click here to connect. And let's wait a couple of seconds and we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. By the same way, you can just use more networks here. Just enter the password, tap to connect, and after that if you have slow internet connection you can switch between them. If you want to turn it off, by the same way you should click here only once on the switcher, and that's it. You can also find these saved networks with the passwords here in this saved network section. Also, we have the second way how we can use Wi-Fi, how we can activate it. Just first we should open the notification panel shortcuts, and after that somewhere here you should find the Wi-Fi icon. Just to activate it you should click once on this icon, and if you want to launch the Wi-Fi settings you should just hold for a while this icon. After that you can tap here to more settings, and just you can see that's the same settings. Just you can select the network, enter the password, and tap to connect. And to turn it off you should just click here once again on this icon, and that's how it looks. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.